Trading this limited edition Trimble Dimple. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Nobody? Okay. Look, that girl's fidget trading. Me. Can I offer? Sure, what's your offer? I'll offer this homemade stress ball. Add, like, all you're giving me is this. Do you not hear me? This is limited edition. So add. Okay, fine. I will add this square puppet. Really good clicks. Can you add one more thing? One more thing and then I'll accept. Because that is limited edition and expensive than that. Fine, I'll add one more thing. I'll add this horse puppet. Can I hear the clicks at least? Fine. There. Wow, these 2 puppets have amazing clicks. I think I'm gonna accept. Whoa. I need to hear your clicks. Fine. There. Did that sound good to you? Yes, I guess I'll accept too. Here. I will be taking this. Wow, this is so good. Yes, look at all these pockets. I love it.